I used to waste 6 hours a day. Doom scrolling, binge watching, lying to myself saying I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came until I tried something different. I let AI take over. Discipline is not about motivation, it's about system. In this video, I'll show you 5 life-changing AI tools that helped me rebuild my discipline, boost my focus, and actually get things done. If you don't control your day will control you. And let's be honest, you want to wake up early, you want to work out, you want to study, build and grow, but the discipline is not there when you need it. You try for 2 days but fall back. You are not lazy, you are unarmed. You think it's your fault, but it's not. You just don't have a system. That's where these tools come in. Number 1, ChatGPT, the AI coach I never had. I was lost, no routine, no structure. So I typed ChatGPT, act like a personal coach. Make me a daily plan to wake up early, study, work out and build habits. ChatGPT gave me clear step-by-step plan. It felt like someone finally understood my chaos and fixed it. Now I start my day with purpose. Direction is most powerful than motivation. Get both. Number 2, Notion AI, the brain organizer. Ever felt like your thoughts all over the place? That was me. I built a goal dashboard in Notion with AI help. Task, habits, mindset, journal, everything in one page. Now I don't chase motivation. I follow the system. An organized mind is a dangerous weapon. Number 3, Reclaim.ai, my secret to time control. Here's the truth. I stuck at managing time. I plan my day but do nothing. Reclaim changed that. It auto-schedules yours to list based on your calendar. Breaks, deep work, workout, all balanced. Don't manage time, command it. This was the moment I stopped winning life and start owning it. Number 4, Audiopen, my thought clarity hack. You ever talk to yourself in your head? But get now here. I started using Audiopen to voice my thoughts. I do say I feel stuck today. What's the real reason? It converts my voice into organized thoughts and action steps. This tool like journaling on steroid. It helped me know myself and fix myself. You don't need more time, you need more clarity. Number 5, Focusmate. Discipline when willpower dies. There were days I could not move, so I booked a session on Focusmate. A real stranger joins. You both work silently for 50 minutes. It's awkward to quit when someone watching, and that awkwardness, it saved my productivity. Discipline loves accountability. Now I use it writing, studying, deep work, especially when I feel lazy. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your system. These AI tools are the system. They fill the gap between who you are now and who you meant to become. AI won't save you, but it can build the version of you that does. Don't just watch, act. Pick one tool, use it today. Track your progress for 7 days. And come back to this video and comment what changed. If you are serious about upgrading your mindset, discipline and future, then subscribe. This channel is for beasts who build themselves. Average man fear AI. Disciplined man use it to conquer. Build your system or stay in the cycle. I'll see you in the next video. Stay focused and stay dangerous.